Hi, Brutus tries to justify the assassination of Julius Caesar with logic and reason, while Antony uses emotion and subtle manipulation to stir the crowd. Their words don't just tell a story, they teach us how powerful language can be in shaping opinions and emotions. In this video, I will discuss the speech of Mark Antony. Antony is a master of emotions. His speeches connect deeply with the Romans. Now, when you picture Antony as he steps up, grieving yet composed, his first words are, "Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears." Do you see the difference? While Brutus starts directly with the word Romans, Antony, a master of emotions, begins with the word friends. He is making it personal, connecting with the Romans directly. He is saying by using the word friends that he is one of them. This instantly creates trust and intimacy. The key words here are friends and lend me your ears. Antony is a master of connection. By starting with the words friends, he sets the stage for an emotional appeal. Undermining Brutus with irony in his speeches. Here's where Antony starts planting seeds of doubt amongst the Romans. How? In which line? He says, "For Brutus is an honorable man. So are they all honorable men." At first, it seems he is agreeing with Brutus, but the repetition of the word honorable becomes sarcastic. With each mention, the crowd starts to doubt. Is Brutus really honorable? And does he have the goodness that he claims to have? The key words in these lines are honorable and all. Why it works for Antony, this line, "For Brutus is an honorable man, and so are they all honorable men." Why does it work for for Antony? Antony doesn't attack Brutus directly. Instead, he lets the crowd come to their own conclusions. It is a very, very subtle but a devastating attack. He is a mastermind, stirring the emotions. How does Mark Antony stir the emotions? By Caesar's wounds. Now Antony shows Caesar's cloak and describes the stabbed wounds, saying, "This was the most unkindest cut of all." What does he mean? He focuses on Brutus's betrayal, calling it the deepest wound. Here Antony moves the crowd from doubt to anger. He is no longer just questioning Brutus, he is making them feel Caesar's pain by those innumerable stab wounds. What are the key words? Unkindest, cut, and betrayal. The turning point, Caesar's will. Antony reveals Caesar's will, saying it leaves wealth and land to the people of Rome. So how can Caesar be bad? How is he a tyrant when he thinks so much for his own people? This is the final blow, and suddenly Caesar is no longer a tyrant. He is a hero who cared for the common man. The crowd erupts into chaos. What are the key words? will, heirs, and gives. So what we can learn from Brutus and Antony, the speeches of Brutus and Antony. Brutus teaches us that logic and reason can persuade, but only to a point, and Antony shows us the power of emotion and connection. Together, their speeches are a reminder of how words can shape history. Who do you think gave a stronger speech? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown insightful, like, share and subscribe for more such engaging literature content. Let's keep learning together. Thank you for watching.